Every so often in that 3-star world, there's a request. Chips. I've done them before on a few occasions. I've always charged accordingly. They're not triple cooked. They're twice cooked, blanched, and then finished. It's as simple as that. But at the end, what I will do is show you that little twist, the way I like to eat my chips. Okay. Everyone likes their chips at a different thickness. I don't like mine too thick, and I don't like them too thin. But I've got to say, a good chip takes some beating. And there's times when I want a rosti, a pomme maxime, some pompiori. But there are times when I want a chip. Okay. If there's a few little slivers at the end, I don't care. Into the water to wash off the starch. And my favourite chip of all is a chip shop chip when they're cooked in dripping. And the one thing I love about chip shop chips is the softness of them. I like it when they start to steam, they just break down. They make the perfect chip butty. So let's give them a good wash. Now, just take out that water. Okay, so first stage, cut and wash. Wash to remove the starch. Then we drain them. We blanch them at 140 for 8 minutes. So we blanch them at 140 degrees Celsius until cooked without colour, and then we drain. To the touch, they just dent. That's perfect. 8 minutes, like I guessed. But now, what we must take into consideration, they're continuing to cook in their own heat. So let's change the temperature from 140 to 180. And when we get to temperature, then we'll cook them the second time. But remember, I said 8 minutes. If you cook them a little thicker, they'll take longer. So always feel them. The next stage is to fry the chips at 180 degrees Celsius. That's to crispen them and a tinge of colour. Nice and crispy. There we have our chips. Season into the pan. And that's the perfect chip. But the way I like to finish them, and I'm sure lots of people will disagree, is a little butter. So I don't like crispy chips. A little butter. And maybe it's all the years I spent with the French. Buttered chips is a 3-star indulgence. Delicious.